Sky Pirate Disassemble of the X8 mothership. We took the motor mounts off, the propellers off, the landing gears off, and the camera. Everything is already off. I only got to crack it open here. That's our body, top cover there. And this one here is not doing so well. So what we're doing is recycling everything out of it for the purpose of changing over the bodies. And this body is a little on the iffy side there. These motors are really heavy. What we're doing here is we gotta take the whole board off, everything out from here, everything up and out, because it done got broken up in there. So we got to take everything off and
Hey Dad, your movie's done.
do a little bit of adjusting, get the new body in order, and that's just a little bracket there. And as you can see, my motherboard here is totally off of her base. And you see it's completely off of the base. And broken 3 different points. This is the only point here that is still holding it together. So we have a new plan coming where we're going to literally take figure out how I'm going to get that out of there. See the screws in there. I got my finger lights on me right now. It'll help me see down in there a little bit better. But we just taking everything out. Like I said, we're just gonna recycle everything, buy a new body, put it in that one. And the top is still good, and if the bracket's broke away from the screw area, then I should be okay to use this bottom body piece again by just taking out the screws and just re-screwing it down into a new body. And, that's the power switch and the camera plug right there. That's that right there. Power switch, camera plug. Alright, start undoing all the wires here.
Trying to refix it?
Can't fix it. She's totally broke. But I can repair it. I can rebuild it by just getting all of her parts out nice and securely like that. The LEDs are in there by a screw. 2. And tiny screw there. I'm not really worried about the screws that fall out. Like I said, I got plenty of them that's still in here. Make sure we get our LEDs out, because when we put this in the new body, we'll make sure the LEDs are turned in the right direction there. These little brackets here is what is holding them in place, and just lifting them up, pulling it out. So getting everything freed up before I take it and remove it from its spot. Like I said, but I don't want to damage the base too much. Okay. That's all that. I need a little assistance here. There we go. I had a headlamp out here. I think my son got a hold of it. My son must have got a hold of it. And there we go. Okay, is that a screw? Or is that hot glue? It's a screw. Okay, and that releases that. You know what I mean? Like I said, this is just a disassemble of the X8, because we're having difficulties with our baseboard here. Receiver board all seem to snap loose from their fittings. So we're in the need of a new body. Don't be stubborn here, guy. This isn't the time to be stubborn. This isn't the time to be stubborn. I'm saying some of this video will be cut to make it a little bit more convenient. Okay, so you do want to be stubborn. Alright, so you trying to make me mess up this LED. Yeah, I'm not going to mess up the LED. And we'll figure out a way to get it out. See, I'm blind as a bat. I need hair around it. ain't blind, huh? No ain't way getting in and turn my TV off if you ain't watching it. That's that one screw. Three LEDs. There's two LEDs. Did you come out of there? You did. Alrighty, we'll find you later. Oh, I already found you. Alrighty, what's your issue? Okay, that one is not coming out of there.
FYI, your movie's fully loaded.
Yep. I don't want to have to break that out of there. For some reason, this one is not coming out. Everything was going fine until this employee here decided to do something stupid. Tamia, come here.
Yeah.
Unscrew that.
Okay.
Go the other way. Yeah, it's straight. Just want to make sure. Just trying to see how much room is up under there. There we go. That's what we wanted to do. That's exactly what we wanted. Don't be difficult. It's okay. Come on. Come on. There we go. And that is the X8 control panel.
Did you finally get it unscrewed?
Now I popped it.
Oh.
Yeah, see?
So how do you expect to put it back?
So what is it they have automatic plugged in here? It's the lights that are plugged in. Oh. Yeah. It's the lights that are plugged in. So the lights would be real easy to just switch around. Really. Is everything else? See? They're soldered in as far as the wires, the motor wires are concerned, but they're still plug in and out. That's pretty cool.
Who are you talking to?
And you can see here, this is where my brackets broke. One there, and one there. So now I had to go and unscrew that one. And unscrew this one over here. Huh. That's that.
You're so open-minded.
Am I?
Yeah, you always speak. You always speak every time you think of something.
Yeah. Okay, see what we have here is, this is the board that broke. So I'm thinking, I get rid of this board here, right? Get rid of this. And this is what holds the control panel on, and like I said, this has broken, plus 4 brackets on each corner has broke, which leaving it with a very strength of 1 corner. So we take this piece out here and get this piece out. We should be good to go. Buy a new one. Everything should be fine and dandy. See that? That's it, yeah. As you can see here, brackets straight broke from where it sat. Right there. Booyah. That's how it would have sat on there with the wires going through it like that. And this one sitting on there and that one sitting on there. Sits on there just like that. And you see the brackets are going here, not where they're supposed to be. What we do is we dismount these here. Not taking them all the way off, but have to be careful with that one, huh? Yeah. Try and get up under the glue there. Yeah. There we go. And that's that. There's the brackets. All screws are out. There might be some hope left for it, considering that these brackets are still here. You know, and they're the ones that's holding it plate up here. So, like I said, we just had to replace this. Yeah, replace that one. There's Sky Pirate, and that's the disassemble of the X8 mothership. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to our Facebook, subscribe to our YouTube. Sky Pirate, Drones and Choppers.